Alright, today we'll be generating images for our marketing campaign. So we have several use cases, and in this Bedrock model, we'll be using the Stability AI and we'll be using the SageMaker. So if you have followed my previous video, so this video should be easy to understand. So let's dive into the AWS portal. We'll go to first Bedrock to check the ability of Stability AI model. Let's click on Get Started. On the left hand panel, we have the model access. Let's click on it, and here if we scroll down a bit, we will get the Stability AI SDXL. So this is what we require. So let's now go to SageMaker, where we will be using the notebook. Alright, here in the SageMaker, we'll go to the notebooks. We'll be creating the architecture straight from the scratch, right? Let's click on create notebook instance. Let's name on notebook instance Cloud Guru Amit Marketing. Let's go to the instance type. Here we'll select the minimum one because this is a less intensive workload, so we don't require much power there. Next, we will be keeping everything as by default. Network I have covered in several different tutorial about the VPCs and all tags are key value pairs. If you want, you can create it, but for this tutorial we'll go ahead with create notebook instance, and we'll wait till this status change to this green tick mark. All right, we have the green signal now, that is in service. So if we look at the architecture diagram, we are here. So we have checked the Bedrock Stability AI model is available for us. We have created SageMaker notebook instance just now, and if you look at this architecture diagram here, we need to run a Python script. In order to run a Python script, we need one Python script. Simple, right? So let's get back here. I have done my homework. I have created several use case which you can definitely try out. This file will be available for diamond members and above, just like my previous videos. So let's carry out with the first use case, that is like generating UI mockups for software projects. So I have copied the code. Now let's go back to Open Jupyter. So here we are. In my previous tutorial, you might have noted I am creating the new Conda Python 3. I'm doing everything from the scratch so that even a beginner can follow my tutorials. So let's wait while the Jupyter notebook is ready. Best practice is to rename it. We are done with the name. Let's click on the rename button. Now here we need to paste the code. I have pasted the code. Now we need to click on the run button, but before running, let me explain you a bit. The important things to note is that if you note here, the model ID is Stability Diffusion XL V1. So that's what we were using, right? And here if you look, we can this is the file name which will be generated. We have mentioned the extension as .png here. Let's click on the run button now and wait. If we get this message, print UI mockup generated successfully, it means it's definitely a success one and our file is ready. Let's wait for a few seconds. Alright, our file got instantly ready. UI mockup generated successfully. We got this message. Now if we go back to here home, we got a new folder here. If you look the output, how do I understood? Because if you check here the timestamp, it's also like few seconds back, and here if I go back here, the file name, here we have the output directory, right? So that is what is we have mentioned and what we have got. Now let's go to the output, and here we have the freshly generated file for our UI mockup. So here if we tick it, we have the view option. We can also download it locally, right? We can rename it here. Now let's click on view and check what the UI as AI has generated. So this is what is generated by AI. Since if we look at the description of this mockup, we need to generate UI mockups for our software project. So this is what our UI mockups will be looking like. So this looks good. For this demo, now let's go back to this file. I'll be generating another use case. So let's try it out for smartphone marketing campaign. I have copied the code. Now let's go back here. I'll be deleting here everything. Let's paste it and let's run this code. So we have the success message as print marketing smartphone image generated successfully, and the file name will be somewhat called smartphone cloud guru Amit. So let's check it out. We got the success message here, right? Let's go back here. Let me refresh. Okay, it got appeared automatically. Let me check this one. We got the view button. Let's check what smartphone is generated. So this is the AI generated smartphone. It looks completely real to me, right? So that is the power of AI. Let's go back to the architecture diagram where we are. So we have used the stability AI model from the Bedrock. Then we have used SageMaker notebook instance. We have created the notebook instance, and we have written the Python code, which you have used to fetch the AI image, and we are storing the image locally there in the Jupyter notebook there as a PNG file. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to check previous videos or check all the videos related to Gen AI, then please navigate to playlist section of our channel, then click on generative AI AWS Ultimate course. You'll find all the videos uploaded till date. If you want the files, the hands-on files, or any kind of architecture diagram which we are explaining, you please enroll in Diamond membership or above, and please support this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.